Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and it is your first time, welcome. So what I am doing here, you guys, I have my pothos plant that I had in one pot, and right now I am loosening up the roots so I can separate them. So to carefully loosen them up, I don't want to break any roots. I will just shake off the dirt. Now, to make the process easier, you can shake them in water so the dirt can loosen up from them, and it makes the process way easier. The items that you see here are all from Dollar Tree, except for the mason jars, but you can find mason jars from the Dollar Tree. There are so many different variety of stones and rocks inside of Dollar Tree, and these stones and rocks that I chose are according to the decor in my home. So it is all your choice on what you like to pick. Always remember to carefully place your roots in first, and then you can drop in your stones very carefully, making sure to not break any roots.